Bang zoom to the moon, man. Nasdaq's taking a dump as we speak. Mojo's. It's ProTrader Mike, founder of the Mojo Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful day trading. We did. Why? Because we do that every single day. Yes, sir. Unbelievable. Let's head right on over to the main screen and see some action happening, okay? Let's see that. Let's head right over. Ching. Mojo don't chase. 62. Look at that move. Made money across the board today. I get to do my daily P&L. Yes, sir. One of my most favorite parts of the day. Giving an update on what's happening and filling in my account counts. So let's move this on over. Do my daily P&L. Panda, your mic is hot. So I got my Apex right here. Today I did 518. That was nice. Yes, sir. And this has gone from 55,000 to 54,000 to 55,473. Yes, sir. Paching. 8 days. Now, this one, my most favorite part. Look at that thing still running. 63 on the SQQ. I'm flat, so I'm done with that right now. We got to wait for it to dip. Perfect time to record my trades for the day in my log. My most favorite time of the day. So on this, let's see what I got here. I did $506 right here. I did on that one 506. I crossed 260 and I stopped 260.004, just like an eval, but it's a PA. 19 days 19 days on that one and 27 days on that one. This one went from 260 211. I made 319.50. It went to 260 512. Bam. This one, payout mode, is 118.90 for the day. Has gone to 263.192. Payout mode on Friday. I'm up 33 grand there and 5 grand there. Then I got these babies. I got one new one today. I wrote it down. I did that one. I did 350.50 for a brand new, and I stopped because I'm at 50,277. I do that every single day. Then this one went from 90 to 158.50. I'm at 105.8. Payout 105.823. That's 36 days. Ching. These are brand new right here. That's, well, I can copy this. They're right around there. So that's boom, boom, boom. Today's the 21st. Yeah, right there. All right. These are right here. This I made 393.50. 393.50. 393.50. Boom. So I'm up there. 831. And then I got this one, brand new eval. I did 1,331. I'm at 51,136. Boom, one day. Then I did this one. I did 518. I'm at 56,127 in this PA after 12 days. Let's go. Keep that going. Bring that to 60,000. Well, that's elite trader funded. And then I got this one. My funding ticks. I did 393.50. I'm at 52,036. 2 days. That's how it works, boys. And then I got my jammer. I'm at 270. So I'm at 10,470. Boom. I'm up 52,432. Let's go, Mojo. I show you how to get payouts. You got to build that shit every day, little by little. And the key is contract size. If you can control your contract size, you can be a good trader. What do you mean, Mike? Contract size. You got to control your contract size. Hold on a second here. Make sure I'm live. I'm live on there. I may not be live on one of my channels. Let's see. Copy. I have that. That's the backup. Copy. Let's see if that worked. So I think I am live on YouTube, but I have two. It goes live two ways. I can't believe it's 66 on my runner. Backup server, stream key. Let's try this. 67, god damn it. Yeah, the stream key is different. Now it should come on. $67 on SQQ. Hang out, guys, on Twitter and Twitch for a second. I got to fix my YouTube.
Looks like a successful day for most of you. Yeah. I've got to go. See you tomorrow.
See you. It says streaming, but it's not coming up. It ain't coming up. Stream URL. Edit. Edit. Stream key. Copy. Paste. Save. See if it comes on. Missed a big run right there on that one. My YouTube's not coming up for some reason. I don't know why. It's going to 23,200. It seems like it is the number it's going to go to. You know what I'm saying? I did 215.50 on that move. I don't know why my thing's not working. It's crazy. It says it's streaming. Weird. Let me open up my YouTube again. Nice SQQ move right there. Yeah, it's not working. Stream URL, everything's looking good. Just watch the trading for a moment. So I got that. I got this. It should turn on. Let's try it. Save. Close. All right, let's see if it goes live. Start sending us your video from your streaming software. Go. Nah. Here's my YouTube channel. See if I'm live right here. Yep, right here I am. On this. All right, let's see if it goes live. All right, so I'm on this one. Let me shut this off. And I'll watch over here. Hey, Brad, what's up? What's up, my man? Let me move you over here. And I'll join the chat. Starts. Shut this off. Cool. Nice. Nice. So yeah, good day. What's up, Mike, Gene, Dennis? Mike Dennis. Dude, you were in the room the other day. And I tried to message you and talk, and you didn't answer. Don't worry. After this weekend, I'm going to give you my course for free. You can come back to the chat room for free. I'll hook you up, Mike. Don't worry. You want one of those accounts from Saudi Arabia? Yeah, I bet you do. I'm your oldest subscriber. How old are you, Nitro Vlogs? How many years ago did you meet me? What's up, Eminem? What's up, Sergi? 68 now on SQQ, headed back in the 70s, Mamacita. Mamacita, headed back in the 70s. Do I have a runner? Of course not. All right, I'm done for the day. I can't chase. I don't chase. Let me ask you a question. Sergi, Mike, you may know how to answer this. Or Mr. Ponzi, you may know how to answer this. So I come to like my Twitter, my replies, and you got guys like this. That's my office. So guys, right here, Mojo Day Trade.
They're working on the wall, and it's not for the stock market.
If you guys do this tweet right here and post your setup, I'll give away a free $50,000 eval. So you got 2 chances to win today. 2 chances. There's the link right there. I just posted it in there. Check out the Mojo setup.
Here's the Mojo headquarters. Got the TV right there working on the wall, and it's not for the stock market. It's to watch PGA Tour events when they're on.
My TV's
And I
on.
got my kids there saying hi to me every morning. I got my setup with my 3 monitors right there. Beautiful. Working the DOS trader right there, watching the SQQ. I got my Bang right there, my accounts. And I got my laptop right there. It's the laptop connected to that monitor, trading those accounts. That's my Ninja Trader setup.
Take tips and donations in crypto, no
For that
problem.
desktop, I got this mean machine with these two 1080 Ti Aorus.
$4,000
graphics cards. Beautiful.
It mines cryptocurrency.
Tons of RAM, tons of gig of storage, 3 hard drives. Let's go.
3 hard drives. Let's go. Post your setup in there. I'll pick a winner.
The Mojo headquarters.
And yeah, at the end of the show, I'll do that. So we got 65 watching. It's on Twitter right there. Go ahead, 65. You go ahead and start doing that action. So like, look, like this. Let me show you. Prop shop traders looking for a risk manager for a job if you need a job. Panda, you should apply, bud. Right here. Here's the link for that one. You go ahead, man. You should apply for that job. There you go, Panda. Apply for that job right there. Yeah. Where's my reply? Like this guy last night, you see? He goes, I broke the rule not to trade in Asia, and I wasn't able to recoup my session thing. So I open it up just as a normal person would, right? And he lost, copy traded and lost all that shit on all them. Okay? Next image. Lost a lot of money off all them accounts. Okay? Why even bother when the balances are not shown? Doing it your way, we can't tell if you're making money or you're just losing money because there's nothing to judge from the previous balance to go against. So unless you start posting balances, the screenshots, you're a furu. Thanks to point that out, all my previous posts have a cash value. I missed that since I was in a hurry to pick up my son. So I clicked on his thing and I wanted to see his pass. Okay, you do. And I clicked on it and this came up. So I'm like, oh, wow, he does make money. But I'm like, what's going on with that? Look at the decimal point. 1, 50, that's not, it's all wrong. These 51,000s are correct. This 1 are all incorrect. So I'm assuming, I don't know what's going on, why there's a 1 unless he photoshopped it and erased something that was there with the 1s and pulled down all these, but forgot to move it over. I don't know how a system with Ninja could ever do that. Have you ever seen something like that before, Brad? Right? So I'm like, what the fuck, you know? So I say to him on that, you know, and it's here too on the day before he did it there. And, you know, I'm not saying whatever. I'm just saying, look, he's got a lot of pending things in here. Did he get those? He doesn't show an approved since then. So I guess he blew the accounts, or I don't know what he did. He blew the accounts down 400 since they were in pending. It's happened. I've done the same thing. So, you know, believe me, it's a yeah. So let's see. I posted a reply. Maybe he deleted it. He did post something back on why the numbers are like that. Let's check it out. All right, you guys go win. Oh, nice setup, Somesh. Let's see. I think he wrote something back. Right here. I'm from India. Am I eligible? Yeah, I guess you're eligible. He says right here, if that's he liked my reply. He goes, hey, Mike, first of all, these are not Top Step accounts, and Top Step stopped supporting NT if you're not aware of it. I don't know. Second thing, I trade both micros and minis interchangeable. Awesome. So commissions vary. Great. Copiers suck with lag and slippage is expected okay, no problem. And one day it's going to fly through your stop and you're not going to have any accounts left. That's what happened to me. And then they acknowledged that it was a copier error and was out of my hands, and they still didn't rectify my accounts or do anything because it didn't happen to anybody else. I only care about getting payouts. I share and interact with fellow trade. I'm not here to deceive anyone. I didn't say you were here to deceive anybody. It says right here, I'm not questioning your abilities or anything like that. I just noticed when you told me your previous post, I looked at it and saw the numbers looked like this. And I'm like, what the hell's that? That's all. Bringing it to your attention. No problem. I'm just trying to get known, communicate. I see the post. I'm allowed to comment about it. And yeah, no problem. No problemo. I just missed a trade. I was going to do something. What's it at? 60. It went down to 62 on that red bar right there. See that? On that red bar. Right there. But I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. Done for the day, boys. Beautiful day. Beautiful couple of mini Heinzes and some couple of rail grinds. Let's look at the 5-minute. I'll show you right here with my horizontal line. See that break right there? 1843, the move right in through 50. That was the first one. I could draw better on paint. Take a picture of it. Look. So right here, we made this move, of course. I was in here. So what I do is I watch it come down. So watch the pen. The pen will go red. So as it's red here, I'm watching it. And it stops right there and firms up. So I right here take one entry, one little micro. The reason is because if it does what it did here, I'll be huge and at least I'll have one. But it didn't. It went against me. So this one right here is the entry over here on the left side of the V. Now I'm going to switch the color to blue. Blue is the second entry. You see this wick and how it firmed up again? And then right there, I took number 2. So now I have 3 micros right there. Now you see this green bar? I will do it in a different color. I'll do the next trade to add. We'll go silver. Is right here is my number 3. So now I'm going to get to 9 micros, 1 under a mini. And I got 9 micros. Now it goes back to number 1, exactly where I bought the first entry. And I sell 2 micros for a profit from those 9. Got 7 left. See this bar? 2 to 3 are gone there for more of a profit. See that? See that move right through 50? 1850. I was playing it for the move through 1850. Right there, I sell 2. I got 5 left. See that? Goes to the top here at 60. I got 1 left. Made a great trade. Now it comes all the way down, right? And I get 2 more. Goes all the way back up, right in here. And I sell those again to have 1 left. Always having 1 trading around the core position. Then it comes down, and right here on this circle, I do the 1, 2, 3. That shit flies all the way up to right here. I got 1 left. Then it comes all the way down on the red bar, and right here I do the 1, 2, and on that green I power add, and I sell here and here, and I do the V again, 1, 2, 3 right there, and I sell right up there. That's exactly how I trade all day, every day. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, point on. That's awesome sauce. That is so awesome.
Love it. Who wants to buy that picture right there? I'll give it to you. I'll put it in the Mojo chat. Done. It's in the Mojo chat. You guys can go grab that shizzle damn rizzle. I'm also going to post it on here because that's a great explanation of what I do. Let's post it right here. Boom. Watch today's show. Get a great explanation of exactly what I do. That's it. Done. DM me for my free course. Done. Get you all set up. See that? Bam. Should have put a $sign in front of MNQ. Yeah, what you gonna do? 62, baby. What are you doing, Bradley? Bradley. So I'm up at 52,432 for the day. I fucking love it. Oh, nope. Nope. I'm up more. Bless you, Serge. Let me see. I'm up more because I have 215.50 on this one from right there. 215.50. Oh, I'm at 230 now, not 215. 230. I'm at 52.2. Yes, sir. Mark it down. Went from 49,000 to 52 today. It's a good day. All right, let's see what we got here. YouTuber. Copy. Who's winning some shizzle rizzles today? Let's do a YouTube giveaway first. Load. This is a $50,000 prop shop giveaway right here. 1 winner. Let's go. Who's the lucky? Who's going to get lucky? Lucky, lucky, lucky. Bam. NR2USD. Yes, sir. Boom. You're the winner. Inner minner. There's your boom. So today's show right here is you. Inner to USD. DM me for your special code. Done. And here's your link. There, enter. Done. I just put it in the chat for you. Go ahead and DM me. Make sure you follow me. Following them on Twitter. Let's go. Feeling good. Feeling great. Where's that other one? Right here. Copy. Link. Boom. Applications. Twitter giveaway. Let's go. I'm feeling good. Feeling strong. Feeling mean. Let's go. 50K giveaway. Boom, boom. Who's the lucky peeps today? Hey, if you're not in the country and you don't win, I'll give it to somebody else. No big deal. Bam. Kuntal FX. Nice little kitty. Press, you came in second. ProTrader Press, you almost won. Look at you go. Nice. This is Kuna Manuna. Another winner. This is KUNTAL FX right there. DM me for your code. Yes, sir. It's great to watch the mojo. 63, 63, 64. We're heading back up a little bit. That's what we do. Dude, every single dip on SQQ gets freaking gobbled right up, goes right back up. The next couple of months and years are going to be amazing for the mojo traders. Scalping and grabbing, grabbing and scalping, cashing and grabbing, padding the PAs. Yes, sir. Boom, boom.
So much awesome. It couldn't be awesomer. Do yourself a favor. Press it again.
All right.
That's awesome.
All right. So good. 64. So good. Feel like pressing the button, but whatever. I could have freaking done it right there. I missed a big red, green goddamn bar. Damn it. Damn it. 67 going to a new higher. I'm shutting this off because I'm not looking at it and I ain't chasing. So that's getting shut off. I'm pressing exit and cancel on everything and shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Check my emails. No new emails came in. That's it, boys. Every day, Mojo makes the profits for the team. Every single day. It's what we do. Let me bring on over the Mojo room. Let's see what's been doing here for the day. See? There's my Mojo room. Came in this morning. We knew what was happening. We knew exactly where SQQ is at 1862. It's at 23,200. Those are the key numbers that you have to write down and know and make a grid about. Let me write that down. This one is 1862 is 23,200. Okay. 23,100 is 1885. It went right there to 90. That was yesterday. That was a beautiful move. Look at that move. Broke rail grind right through 40, 50 up to 80. Amazing freaking day. Look at that move. Right through 50. See it? 50. Start from the beginning. We started the trade right here. There was a signal at 1821. First, I finished this new funding ticks account Today I'm at 52,000. Yesterday I made that and stopped. Then watch. These are the trades. I did some amazing trades. Let's see if I have any other. 23,400 is 8. So 23,400 is 1817. And you can see right here, I'm playing it for the move into 23,400. And it goes 16, 17. If that goes 18, I'm a winner. It goes 17, 18. Then you could see there's more bids than there are offers, and they're squeezing it. So you know it's going to go right to that 19. And then what happens is it's called a cross market. You have no idea watching a bar that the NASDAQ market makers want the stock so bad, and the red bar is going to happen on the NASDAQ futures, that it's called a cross market. So I'll add to my position, adding to the winner, because the market's telling me to add right there. So I'll add to the position at 18, hoping it goes 19 and 20. And now there's only 2 people left. 2 started. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there's 2 left. So it goes 18, 19. Now if it goes 19, 20, I'm a big winner. And it goes 19, 20. That's how you make money. See? That's how you make money. And it's in rail grind. So you hold the runner and you hold 2 runners. That's how you do it. Then it gives this signal at 1821. You see the 2,703 sitting there? I'll bet you $1 million, 100 to 1 odds. If it doesn't go through there, okay, I'll give you $1 million. But if it does, you give me $10. How does that sound? And go short the NASDAQ and get some shorty MNQ. Let's see what it does. Boom, it goes 22, 23, went right through that big signal, and he got, right there, you can see all the time in sales, what's called a rebate. He's adding liquidity to the market because he was on the ask, everybody bought him, he added liquidity to the market and got paid. Now where's the signal? There is none. Let's see what the next one looks like. 22, 23. Boom. 29.30. That shit just ripped from 9:32 to 9:41. 9 minutes later, we're freaking banking. Still got a runner left because the high's 31 and it's at 30 with big old signals sitting on the ask at 30. The 12222, the 1150, the 911. And why do you think it's 911? That I noticed right there for the first time. It's an emergency. They need that shit so bad. That shit's an emergency signal in the level 2 by EdgeX, which is Ameritrade, which is E-Trade and those kind of firms. Do you understand? Why put it at 911? It's a signal, and it's going a lot higher. So there are blasts within 2 minutes from 91.50 to 94.50. 3 minutes, it's 33 by 34 with a new high, and signals more at 35 and 36. So it's still going to go there because they're sitting there for rebates. So load up, add back to the position. There's the new signal. It goes 40, 42. Look at that. From 44 to 46, 2 minutes. Boom, it's 44, new high. And he's still sitting there with a signal at 44. It's going higher. And it's sequencing to my trade play that I'll go all in at 1848 by 49. I'll bet you $1 million it goes through. And if it doesn't, I'll give you $1 million. If it goes through 50, when it gets to 49, you owe me $10. How does that sound? Let's go. 49.50. You owe me $10. It's 9.50, and it only took 3 minutes. So you owe me, and look at the largest number, 1852, 1,066. I'll bet you $500,000 it goes there. If it does, you owe me money, $10. If it doesn't, I'll give you $500,000. How about that? And you're short, you're up so much money. This is the greatest system of trading ever. And I'm not even looking at the NASDAQ futures. I'm only looking at this and where the signals are in the level 2. And right there from 950 to 950 in 2 seconds, how many seconds? From 05 to in 26 seconds, it went there. And look what's happening at 1854. He's sitting there with a 1224. That 911 was a true emergency. So it plows through the 54 and goes right to 58. And the trade's over because now you could see big size at 56 on the left, equal with the ask at 58. So to me, the trade's pretty much over at this point. Nice job, right, Mojo? Yeah. It goes 78. So that runner held in rail grind from the 2 reds right there. You extended that gain to 78 and to 84. And then Brad comes in the chat and says, is it going to Heinz 19? And I say, yes, sir. No size. It's capitulating now again. No size on each side. There's no big numbers. Boom. 1886 by 7. It's like a magnet. Zzz, into 19. In 1 second, it's still in rail grind. It's going to be 90. And there in 1 second, it's 90. It took a second. From 10-12-37 to 10-18-8, boom, this shit's freaking 94 it went to. 94. And then 23-100 is 1885. I just wrote. Brad says, will it Heinz 19? I say, of course. There's 1899. No signals in the level 2. And it touched. There's 23-200 is 1862. 23-300 is 1840. Hey, it wasn't your lucky day today, Mike, but you get him another day, boss. Let's see if we have some other signals going back. Here's 23-700 is 1758. Let me just mark that down. So we got 1758 equals 23-700, and 1772 equals 23-600. I just play the NASDAQ futures in between all the freaking $100 moves. It's fucking pretty easy. Look at this signal at 1734. Now it went to 1870 after that was the original signal that made it move. Right there. On 8/18, 3 days ago at 7:57, time stamped in 8 seconds, that started the beginning of the downturn. I'm that good. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This I never did. I'm not promoting Hypertix. Seems to be maybe a scam kind of company. They approached me. I was going to do a coaching. They've got no money. I think it's going to be a Ponzi scheme where they're just going to steal from Peter to pay Paul and keep the middle and shit until something happens and they blow up, and then they'll do it again under a fucking different name. So beware of Hypertix. There's another signal that triggered in the level 2 for the stock to move higher and the NASDAQ to move lower. I only short the NASDAQ. Here's 23,900 is 1708. That's what I'm looking for. All those numbers. See, high in 17 went right through 17. It loves 1722. See, 1699, signal at 17 right there. It went right through. Amazing, right? Here we go. 23,700 is 1750. 23,900 is 1706. So you're saying, why are these numbers important? Why are you doing that? Good question. The reason is because at night, if the market should be at 23,200, I know the equivalent of SQQ is 1862. If it's at 23,700, I know the equivalent 1758. If it's at 23,100, I know the equivalent's 1885, getting ready to test 23,000 and move into 19. And I could see it all at night without even knowing and watching SQQ because it's equivalent to the numbers that are on the NASDAQ futures. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, right? Yeah, the giveaway's over, SK. But listen, I did 2 of them, dude. Come back tomorrow, and I'll do them again, boss. There's no question about that. And give me a like and a subscribe on the video, at least, if you like what I'm doing. You know, I'm not freaking bashing and smashing people and being a chasta mishinina like some people out there. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That's my Twitter. You want to go to my Twitter. How come my QR code's not showing? There we go. How about stop by the Mojo Day Trade Room. Get a free pass. Fill out your application. I'll say hello to you and bring you in. You can watch me trade this shizzle live. Because on YouTube, it's delayed by 30 seconds. So it's hard to trade live and you miss it. I'm really doing updates. I don't like to trade live because I don't want the live stream to influence my live trading. I want to do my live trading and then show you exactly what I did and how I did it with my entire community backing and doing the same thing. So if you want to be in the community trading, join the Discord. I'm live sharing my screen there every day on the microphone as I am right now. And you get to watch the Dosh Trader and you don't have to pay for it. It's $150 a month. I pay for it. So you could watch it on my screen. Make sure you have 2 monitors, a monitor for the Discord and then a monitor for your trading, and you're all set to go. See, I wrote down all those numbers. It was good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah. So if you like the show and what I do, just give me a thumbs up on the video. I would appreciate that. Thanks for watching. I'm going to make sure when you go live, I get notified. So do you. Let's go, baby. Yes, sirree. That's what we do. All right, fine. We just broke 100. I'm going to do another giveaway on the YouTube. We got 100 followers, but out there, I got more followers on the. Yeah, I got more followers there than all over. Let's see what I got. Where are we going to do another giveaway from? Right off this one? Where should we do it? I'll ask the audience. Tell me, Mike, where are we giving another giveaway from? Should I do it off the YouTube or off the Twitter? We'll go YouTube. That's what I want. Boom, boom. Who's going to win this one, homies? Mike, maybe it's your lucky day, boss. Come on, dude. Oh, Mike's got a good chance on that shit. Mr. Ponzi's up there, too. Mike, I'm cheering for you, boss. Inner, you can't win again, but substitutes Mike did, and Sergi won, so you won, Mike. Gotcha, boss. Anita Medaya Chowdy. What a name. Mike Dennis, man. You won. DM me, boss. Nice job, nice job, nice job. 66, 65. Look at that. Look at my fly pick, my fly swing pick. 46, right? Yup. Got 1,000 fly right there. My other swing pick, when the markets are down, look at that. Hanging tight. Hanging tight. My other swing pick, down 11%. All right, no problem. Ethereum's 35, went to 39. Let's see where the SPY is going to go. Daily. SPY is going to go to here and go to 600 per share. So SPY is going to fall 35 points. Next, QQQ. QQ is already falling. It's going to go under 550 and go test the bottom of that bar, 551. Let's see, Tesla. Everyone that owns Tesla, well, you see this, you're never going to see this shit again. I'd sell covered calls on your position over 300. It's going under 300 right here. See that line? 300. Tesla is going under 300. It may be tomorrow and fall 20 points. Buy some puts right now on Tesla. I'm going to do that for tomorrow. I'm buying a Tesla put for a 300 strike. Okay? Done. Microsoft going to 500 and under. Easy play. Apple headed under 200 down here, filling in this gap right there at 216. It's going to drop from 219 to 211 really fast. Buy puts on Apple. For the move down to 200. And yeah, that's what I'm telling you. Let's fucking go, baby. So thanks for watching my show today and trading with the Mojo. I gave some nice lessons. Be sure to tune in again for the next episode, and you'll have a lot of fun trading with the Mojo. That's all I gotta say.